All right, hey guys, this is Rome at Rome Knows Tech. This morning I'm going to start a 3D printing session. I want to introduce you guys to our Facebook group. If you are a fan of the LaserPecker 4, there are a number of Facebook groups, guys, for this device. But the Facebook group that I want to bring to your attention, you will be able to find a lot of files that you can 3D print that's going to help take your workflow with your LaserPecker 4 to the next level. So as you guys can see here, we have a member of our group that has provided us with files for us to create a jig for doing your bottle openers. So this jig is for 10 bottle openers, as you guys can see right here. So you're going to be able to 3D print this and do all of your bottle openers with this little jig, which is super cool. Now, if you're looking for the file and you can't find it, just scroll all the way up. Let's just go all the way up to the top of the page. And you guys are going to see files right here. Just click on files. And here is the file that you're looking for. It's this bottle opener jig slide extension. Click on that. Then you're going to click on it again. It's going to download that to your Mac or PC, whichever device you're using. And then once that's downloaded, you'll be able to open that into whatever slicer you're using. Now, in my case, because I'm using the AnchorMake M5, that's what I'm going to be working with. So let's see. Let me go ahead and open this app up real quick just to show you guys all the steps we're going to go through to make this happen. So here's my slicer. And I could just go ahead and open the slicer and go over to my files, which is here. This is the file that you're going to be looking for, the bottle opener for the jig slide extension. We're going to do that later. And you guys saw there I had an update. That's one of the cool things I like about this Anchor device. There's always an update for this device. So let me see if I can just drag this over here. This new version of Mac OS is sometimes a pain in the butt, but I'm just going to open it this way. This might be easier. And there we go, guys. You can see here is the 10 bottle opener. Jig for creating your bottle openers. It's already set to lay it on your slicer. You don't have to do anything else. So at this point, I can just hit slice. It's going to generate the G code, and then everything is going to be pretty much ready. Now this says it's going to take on my machine 42 minutes and 37 seconds. This machine is relatively fast, so this should be able to get the job done very efficiently. I will check back in with you guys later to show you what the end result looks like. So let's just go ahead and hit print. We're going to send this over to our 3D printer, and then from there, hopefully, if everything works as it should, we should be able to utilize this with our slide extension on our LaserPecker 4. All right, so there's that beep that I'm listening for. So it sounds like everything is ready to rock and roll. All right, so let me show you guys my current setup here in the studio. As you guys can see, I have my 3D printer right here nestled between one of my other lasers and also a couple of my Blue Yeti batteries. So it's going to transfer everything over. I'll probably drop a little time lapse here for you guys to see how this is printing, but I'll check back in with you guys at the end of this print. All right, guys, so our 3D printing has completed. As you guys can see here, everything is done. The print has gone through successfully on the AnchorMake M5 3D printer. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is what the print looks like. So let's switch back over to this camera view. So this is what you're going to get when you 3D print this bottle opener jig. As you guys can see, it has these little knobs on the end so that it fits inside of the plate for the slide extension. So as soon as this cools off, we're going to go ahead and take it off. It should be cool enough right now. Let's go ahead and check. All right, so that popped right off, as you guys can see. So this is what we're going to be working with. All right, so let's go over to our slide extension. Now this should just fit like so on the slide extension this way. or you can use the more practical way. And these little tabs, as you guys see here, will fit in these little slots. So you can line this up properly and just really secure this down. See guys how that looks? That's gonna be perfect. So let me grab one of these. And there we go. So you can easily set up to 10 of these in this jig, guys. You know, of course, you're gonna have to line everything up and, you know, position these best on however your laser is set up. But I just wanted to do a quick video this morning showing you a very easy way that you can do a lot of these bottle openers at one time. I've done quite a few of them so far, and I think this is going to be pretty much a game changer when it comes to me having to do a lot of these at one time. All right, so let's get back. All right, guys, so like I said, I wanted to just do this video for you guys really quickly. Again, if you have a LaserPecker 4, please join our Facebook group, guys. There's a lot of good people there that are creating content, that are sharing files with the community. You will not go wrong in this community. It is very, very inviting. You don't see any drama or anything like that. And people are very supportive. They will help you out. So if you have a question, and I don't care how, you know, silly you may think that question is, if it's a question that is something that's come up that you can't find the answer to, feel free, guys, to drop it into the comments, and someone, if not multiple people, will respond in a positive way and trying to get you on the right path. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.